Hey, good Friday morning, everyone. Kip Harrods here with your midday VRA video cast. Again, another ugly day. Yesterday was pretty hideous. It the action to me looks like this market is being being weighed on. Like there are sellers that are ever present here, and if we hadn't gotten the big move higher on the Jay Powell's Fed day, then I think we really could have seen capitulation. But that broke that up. So now we're back to the cycle of looking for real capitulation. We're seeing signs of it. We are seeing signs of it. A quick shout out to my old mentor, Ted Parsons, first of all. He told me this many years ago, and it's by and large held up really well. Rest in peace, by the way, Ted. Great guy. Um, and he said, never, don't buy on a Friday, don't sell on a Monday. And that's, generally speaking, been a rule that I've lived by in my career. I said it today because that's what we want to see, folks. If you're looking for a real bear market rally, right, something that's tradable, something that can give us a bottom that we may have to retest, there may be a double bottom, but at least a bottom, because we're not seeing any signs of bottom yet, okay? We got NASDAQ today hitting a new 52-week low. NASDAQ 100 hitting a new 52-week low. All right, they lead. There's no sign of a bottom here. But if you want a real bottom, you first need some kind of capitulation, real fear that gives you that initial bottom. Now, we might retest it, et cetera, but at least it gives us a great opportunity to make money on the flip side for a big bear market rally that could last a week or two. But we need capitulation first. Here are the signs we're seeing, though, that tells us we are getting close. Some rare things are happening here. The ARMS index, the trend, yesterday hit 2.40. Anything above 2 is panic selling. That typically gives you a bottom. It didn't yesterday. Today, it hit 2.34. Again, anything over 2 is panic selling. I don't remember back-to-back days with the trend being above 2. Sure it's happened. I don't remember it. That's rare. Also, yesterday's NYSE downside volume was 94%. That's a rare reading, Again, these are signs of near-term capitulation. But we're just not seeing it in the market. It's like today again, with NASDAQ, with tech hitting new 52-week lows, that's just a sign that it wants to go lower. Also this morning, another ugly sign. We already have 1,400 stocks at a new 52-week low. That's got to improve. What else? That's it. There are a few more. Those are the major ones I wanted to talk about. And I'm going to make a comment here as well. Yesterday I saw the news come across, and this is going to sound conspiracy minded, but I think we've all learned that, especially over the last 2 years, but frankly over the last 20, the only people that have gotten shit right have been the conspiracy theorists. Everybody else has been wrong, right? All the tinfoil hat wearing conspiracy theorists, they've had a crystal ball, and it's been near perfection. So, in that vein, yesterday, when I saw the news come across that was looked to have been leaked by U.S. intelligence, that U.S. intel was behind Ukraine's sinking of the Russia battleship, when that came across, that's when the market selling pressure picked up speed, and it was just ever present, heavy. I don't know if it means anything or not, but if we are now in a true proxy war, which we really have been with Russia over Ukraine, we're giving them all this weaponry, of course. How many tens of billions? And now we're basically their partner with intelligence, helping them beat Russia. The flip side of that coin is not hard to see. That Russia reaches a point where they go, okay, it's your turn to feel the pain. And I just made that, I thought that was interesting yesterday to see that the market's action. This market is fraught with risk. I said it starting about a month ago, and it's still true. This is the most risk-filled environment that we've been in my career. So many big things can go wrong, okay? But again, Ted Parsons, ideally, we have a bad close today, and then capitulation Monday morning. Real blood in the streets, kind of a fear-based open. Put call ratio 1.4, 1.5, the trend back above 2 again. And then when people are really panicked, that's when we could get a bottom, a tradable bottom. That's what we're looking for. Until then, we want to stay in both in cash and in the positions that are working. That's energy stocks, metals and miners. Again, even they've been hit, of course. But we're playing this global commodity super cycle that if you have to be invested somewhere, I want to be in strength, and that's where strength has been, and not in the areas that continue to get hit because we're just not seeing a real sign of a bottom yet. All right, folks. Well, one last point. There will be no VRA podcast today at the close. We're out of the office a bit early this afternoon, so no podcast today. We'll see you back on Monday. Until then, thanks always for watching. Come and join us full time at VRAinsider.com, and we'll see you back here again Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.